This is a quick review of the Hydra alien car mounting system from Tilta.
This is a CineD review, supported by B&H and CVP.
Traditionally, car shoots are notoriously hard. Mounting cameras on cars is usually a complicated affair, and because of the weight of the cinema cameras involved, you need lots of support gear, staff, and of course permissions to actually drive that car anywhere. Lighter cameras and gimbals of course can make that easier, and Tilta took the challenge. Their Hydra alien car mounting system is made for the quite brilliant DJI RS2 gimbal, which is perfect for mirrorless cameras. The RS2 does have quite strong motors though, which means that you can mount heavier cameras and lenses on it too, as long as you can balance it. A smaller gimbal, smaller camera, smaller lenses mean, you guessed it, a smaller support system. The Tilta Hydra alien car mounting system comes in a neat suitcase that has everything you need. Suction cups in different sizes. You also have the camera plate here with V-mount or also gold mount if you want. Dovetail plates for the actual setup of the mounting system, of course, for different setups on the car. We will go into this a little bit later. And here is also the spring arm, the Hydra arm, that actually takes out that vertical vibration that occurs when you're actually driving the car. So everything you need is in here, including all the accessories. It's also more affordable than other systems, so we tried it out on a quick shoot. What stands out is the Hydra alien car mounting system's versatility. There are 8 different ways to attach it to your car to get different types of shots. You can place it on the hood, you can mount it at the back of the car, on either side, on the doors, and so on. For our purposes, we first tried mounting it on the hood to film the driver. Putting the rig up on the hood was effortless. We were pleasantly surprised on how tight these suction cups were actually holding the Hydra alien rig in place. Just make sure to always use ratchet straps to secure any buildup on a car in case of any of the suction cups going loose. I was sitting in the car operating the RS2 remotely with a Raven Eye image transmission and Tilta's remote control kit, this one, for the RS2. Now, while that isn't really the rig's problem, I found it of limited use to have a gimbal on the rig and on the hood while filming a person inside the car. It's counterproductive when you take a turn with a car, because the gimbal will try to follow the movement and thereby lose the center of attention. It will simply pan in the wrong direction basically when you're taking a turn with a car. Even when tracking the person, I didn't get it to work properly. In my opinion, not using a gimbal here would be better, because vibrations would be dampened enough by the car's suspension itself. You don't need the gimbal there because you film something inside the car. Again, this is not the rig's problem at all, as it performed flawlessly. I would have simply had to mount the camera directly to the rig next time without the gimbal. With the hood-mounted rig, I also found the camera position to be quite high up with the RS2 gimbal below it, so removing the gimbal would also put the camera more at eye level with the driver. Before I continue, here is a very quick commercial break. Talking about filmmaking gear is nice, but nice gear alone is never going to make you a better filmmaker. What is going to make you a better filmmaker is subscribing to MZ Pro, the world's most professional online filmmaking education subscription. MZ consists of hundreds and hundreds of hours of online courses from some of the most prestigious filmmakers in the world, from screenwriting to lighting to post-production and much, much more. We are producing new courses all the time with professionals all over the world, and we're also adding freebies and discounts to the subscription. So check it out on mz.com, link is in the description below. But now back to the car rig review. In my opinion, the Tilta Hydra alien car mounting system really shines in any car-to-car shoots. We mounted it at the front and at the back of a car to film another car, and that worked flawlessly. It was super fast to assemble and held perfectly without any issues. We just added again ratchet straps for peace of mind. We were able to get some really nice shots. Check them out. While you do need some basic technical knowledge to choose the right points for the suction cups for attaching the rig to the car, it's easy and fast to set up if you follow the manual. And you really should follow the manual. After every drive, make sure to tighten all the bolts and test the vacuum in all the suction cups, just to make sure that they didn't get loose over time. So in conclusion, for a price of $1,300, you really get a compact car mounting rig that is versatile, it works safely and is very fast to set up. And it's small, it's a small suitcase compared to other solutions. But you should definitely get the Raven-i transmission system for your DJI RS2 gimbal and also Tilta's remote control kit for the RS2. So you can actually see the image remotely and also pan and tilt the gimbal while you're shooting. Tilta did do a really good job on this system, and it was also further enhanced after initial customer feedback. And you can tell that they really made their homework here, so good work. A big thank you for this review also to our friends from AV Pro who ran this test with me. AV Pro is a great cinema rental here in Vienna, Austria, and their entire team is highly professional and knowledgeable about all things cinema, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, stay tuned to CineD and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.